Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with two essentials, Zotero Desktop and the Libreoffice extension installed. Open Zotero, pick a citation style and preferences, then install the Libreoffice plugin from Site Word Processors. Once done, restart Libreoffice so the toolbar loads. Make sure Tools shows Zotero. You need the plugin active to insert citations. Keep Zotero running when you work in Libreoffice. Otherwise, the connector can fail. Now create or open your document and position the cursor where the first citation will go. You insert citations with Add/Edit Citation on the Zotero toolbar. The red search box appears. Type an author, title, year, or DOI to find items, then press Enter to place the citation. Use commas to add multiple sources. Once done, use Document Preferences to change the citation style or switch between author date and numeric formats. Make sure to enter page numbers in the locator field when required. If you need repeated citations, use Add/Edit Citation again and select the same item quickly. Finish by inserting the bibliography with Add/Edit Bibliography or let Zotero auto-generate it when you insert your first citation. Once done, change the style in Document Preferences if you need another format. Zotero will reformat both citations and the reference list. Make sure to sync or export your library backup before major changes. Troubleshooting tip: if the Zotero toolbar disappears, reinstall the Libreoffice extension. Enable the extension in Libreoffice and confirm Zotero is running. That fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.